Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Oculus Quest 2 with a PC. By doing this, you can access more powerful VR games and experiences that are not available on the standalone Quest 2. Let's get started. Step 1, check compatibility. Before you start, make sure that your PC meets the minimum requirements for using the Oculus Quest 2 with a PC. You can check the requirements on the Oculus website. Step 2, connect Oculus Quest 2 to PC. To connect the Oculus Quest 2 to your PC, you will need a compatible USB cable. Make sure the cable is properly connected to the Quest 2 and your PC. Step 3, enable developer mode. In order to use the Oculus Quest 2 with a PC, you will need to enable developer mode in the Oculus app on your phone. This can be done by following these steps. Open the Oculus app on your phone. Go to Settings. Select the Oculus Quest 2 device you want to use with your PC. Scroll down to Developer Mode and toggle the switch to enable it. Step 4, install Oculus PC software. Download and install the Oculus PC software from the Oculus website. Once installed, open the software and follow the instructions to set up your Oculus Quest 2 for PC use. Step 5, launch Oculus PC software. Once the software is installed, launch it on your PC. The Oculus PC software should detect your connected Oculus Quest 2. Step 6, start playing VR games on PC. You can now use your Oculus Quest 2 with your PC to play more powerful VR games and experiences. To do this, use the Oculus PC software to browse and download games and experiences. That's it. You should now be able to enjoy a more powerful VR experience on your Oculus Quest 2 by using it with a PC. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.